Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of this Specter Pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just bought this Specter from this Halloween merchant, and this merchant is limited. It will leave after 24 hours, so you need to be hurry. And here you can get the Specter. And this is the OP guys, and I'm going to show you what this pad can do. And I'm going to place it on my garden and let's view it. Okay, and basically guys, this pad can give Vamp mutation, spooky mutation, or the ghostly mutation, and it works every 13 minutes. And yeah, it's so crazy. It can give you Vamp mutation without the bad attack. And you can go to the Halloween merchant, and I hope that you will get the Specter Pet. You need to be hurry guys before it's gone. Okay guys, and that's all the ability of the Specter Pet in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.